Hey YouTube, Dave here. I just got back from Toya. Near Toya us. Anyway. Yeah, I finally got what I want.
I'm missing one. Oh, sorry, David.
It's okay. Sorry, that was my dad. But if you look at the schedule below, or I put it somewhere else, my dad is the dog 123. So subscribe to him, and yeah. Today, I just got the 5-pack stud toy 5-pack collection set. Just follow all of them. Mario, my favorite. Luigi, Toad, Koopa, and Yoshi. So let's lift the baby up. Oh, big headed. Oh, so tricky. Sorry. There we go. But there were ways to get it out. Anyway. Here, Mario. Koopa, Luigi, my video, Yoshi, and finally, Tottenham. So yeah, that's all the characters. See the bug? So yeah. Oh crap! I dropped Mario. So yeah. Do my new Mario. Got my own Mario again. Yay! I have to be extra careful with him. So yeah. Finally got Toad. Got my own Luigi. The new Koopa, and my very own Yoshi. So yeah, cut. So yeah, guys, like that guy. So thanks for watching. Crap, can't touch my toy. Why can't I tell you my toy? Okay, so thank you all for watching, and let me tell you about all my videos. So I'll see you later. Peace.